So just because there's been so much discussion about the car thing, I really wanted to say what I felt, that the intimacy or the conversation that goes beyond the public spaces and the post-screening and the screenings and setting up, for me, it kind of works in a very layered and interesting way where I feel that Ramani is panicking, and I feel that the conversation is coming into a personal space through the mediation of talking about work. You know, Anand is saying, I wish I were doing what you're doing. And he says, it's almost comic because he says, you mean shooting the screenings, discussions? And he says, no, but like, you know, oral history, my family. It's about shooting. They're talking about the filmmaking process, but then they start talking about what you might have been filming. And also, I don't remember the order, but also the discussion about what you felt when you saw Hamara Share and what he remembers you saying, and all, it's all about that. It would have been completely horrible if you just sort of said, so Anand, where did you go to school? I mean, yes, of course you wouldn't, and of course he would have said, why is Sunny asking that? But that isn't how it happens. Once it has happened through this mediated thing of you shooting, him shooting, what he wished, what you felt when you saw his film, etc., then it can go anywhere. You know, then it goes into a reminiscence thing, which is unforced. So for me, it's interesting because it happens like that, and it works because it happens like that, and it also works because I actually wondered, given the way the film had been, that, oh my God, why is a conversation happening now? And then it's great.
Now that everybody's saying all these things, because we're in a room where everybody knows Ramani and Anand, I think the car conversation works because there's two people whom we all know find it very difficult to talk to other people, who are quite incurious about other people in a normal conversation. And suddenly they're both forced to do something that neither of them does in either of their films. A third thing altogether, which is talk to each other. And that really makes thing work because neither of you do this in your films actually.
So yeah, with that, I think we need to close this wonderful discussion. Thank you, Anand, for coming. Thank you, Ramani. And it really, for me, as someone who has followed both your films so closely over now 2 decades, it was quite a privilege to see a conversation between two worlds that I feel I'm constantly oscillating between. So thank you so much. Next screening on Saturday, please wait for our Facebook announcement and for the email IDs. For the emails, those who are not getting the emails, please put your email ID in that register outside because we've been getting complaints of people not getting emails. Thank you so much.